Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another episode of GB's super spectacular unboxing adventures, where you never know what we're gonna unbox or whose box it come out of. But first, Coca-Cola. Oh! Cheers, big ears. Nice. Today's box is a plastic box, not a cardboard box. Measures 7 inches by 5 inches by 5 inches and weighs 840 grams. And it's a pretty cold box too. Usually you like the box to be a bit hot, eh? But no, today's box is cold, and when you shake it, it makes absolutely no sound. I'm shaking it right now beside the camera. Nothing. Well, it looks like this. Rollo! Rollo! It is ice cream. It's really not ice cream. Frozen dessert. There's probably no cream in that whatsoever. Frozen dessert. But we'll call it ice cream. How about that? It looks like that. Has all the nutritional bullshit, or lack thereof, on it. Some other bullshit here. It says, Rollo. Well, let's see if it actually is Rollo in here. And I'm not talking about the person, Rollo. I hope you're watching this. Rollo! Ooh, we open it like this. Whoa, stuck to the lid. Well, we better taste it, eh? What do you think? Looks like that. Spoon. Spoon. Let's taste it, see if it tastes like Rollo. Mmm, tasty. Mmm. Lolo. Kind of tastes like a Rollo. What is a Rollo, you say? Oh, there's pieces of Rollo in there, look. Looks like a rabbit poo. Yeah. That's a Rollo. But what if we put a Rollo in there? I had one here somewhere. Rollo. What do we have? A spoonful with a Rollo. How about that? Mmm. Yummy. There's a real Rollo. Chopped a piece. Mmm. Well, how about that? Woo! Fuck yeah. Didn't think I'd unbox this, did ya? Cheers, big ears. Nice. Until the next super duper exciting unboxing video, stay tuned. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and keep on rocking in the free world, bitches. Woo! RTFO.